Hi traders, it's Jay, pipsmagnet.com. Just want to bring to your attention a concept and service we're offering called Jay's Levels. Essentially, these are levels that are emailed to you each day prior to the start of the European session. That's at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that'll give you levels for the entire day all the way through the US session, unless we get very wide moves, and then you may get an update through the rest of the day. So sometime later in the day. You can see it's 10:30, June the 19th, Fed day. Everybody's waiting on the Fed. You can see I've taken a trade here on the 6A. That's the Aussie currency future, and you can see how we had this black line here. Prior to the European Open today, we sold off from that line 94.47. We went all the way down to 93.47. This line was put in ahead of time. Okay, we drew this line before our session started, and you can see we retraced almost 100% all the way back up, and as soon as we got to around that line, we retraced back, tried to get back up, get above it again, failed to get back up above it. We retraced some, and then we came back up to it, bounced around it again, and then finally we took off. Basically, I took a trade based on that. As you can see here, I already got my first two contracts off, and now I'm looking for this runner with my stop at break even +1. I'll probably move that up. But the point is that these levels are called ahead of time. They give you a map for the day. You know, you've often heard plan your trade and trade your plan. Well, if you could get your turning points in the market to within 10 ticks or 10 pips if you're trading spot forex, what would that do for your trading? You know, more than likely it's going to increase your profitability quite substantially. You can see now we're coming up to this line here at 76, 94.76. Now let's see what price does here. Okay, and you can see I've got my next target up just before another black line that I've drawn on this chart. I do also want to bring over the crude chart here. This is a crude oil. This is the August contract. You can see how we came down and sold off in crude oil from the start of the European. Actually, it was more about the start of the London session. We've been selling off all day. You can see the first area where price really bounced around, or we got any kind of significant retracement, was this black line at 98.58. We only went 5 ticks below that, and the maximum favorable excursion from that bounce was 88. So we're talking potentially 30 ticks there. And then eventually we sold back down, broke through the black line, and what do we have here? One of our price magnets at 98.34. We didn't quite get there, and we came within 1 tick or half a tick of my black line before we've gotten a 30 tick or more bounce. So these levels, you know, they're drawn at the beginning of the days. I can send them out to you via email, and if you've got your mobile phone set up for SMS email, you can get them on your mobile or on your iPad, Samsung, whatever you're using. And these levels can make your trading a lot easier, because you'll be really planning your trade and trading your plan. So if you have any questions, you can reach us through the website pipsmagnet.com or email me info@pipsmagnet.com. You can even call me. Just remember that I'm in Hong Kong, so we're plus 12 hours ahead of Eastern currently. If you want to check out our webpage here, it's pipsmagnet.com. You can sign up for a live trial of our live trade room, which runs from 2 a.m., which is the European Open, and we cover the London Open for the first half of those sessions, to 6 a.m. Monday through Friday. We have live free trials each week. You can check out our services and specials. Just click that on the website. If you want to join our room and receive all of our indicators, including the Jays levels, it's currently $34.95 US lifetime membership. You can also visit our other sites if you want more rooms. If you want the three rooms, 3 traders, 3 time zones, you can visit our other websites, which are futuresfx.ca and tradingmagnet.com. Those are my partners. There's the futuresfx.ca site. And there's a Trading Magnet site. In our room, we're concentrating on the currency futures and some of the other commodities, like crude oil. We'll also be adding Forex spot soon, and also in Simon's room, he's concentrating on the crude and some other indexes like the Russell and the Nasdaq. And in Kai's room, he's concentrating on swing trades for options, swing trading with options. But this is 3 traders, 3 time zones, 3 rooms. So I hope this information is useful to you, and if you have any questions, like I said, contact us. Good trading, everyone.